ये ठीक
So
है।
गुरुजी जज कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे कि उन्होंने सही किया कि गलत? बिकॉज मे बी उस सिचुएशन के हिसाब
नहीं,
से
पहले वो
उन्होंने सही किया
क्वेश्चन
हो।
रिपीट करिए बेटा, व्हाट वाज द मेन क्वेश्चन?
That is his main question is how the judge decides a matter whether right or wrong.
हाँ,
Yes.
This is question, I think.
Yes, this is the question. You're right.
There is a law and there is a parameter within the law
Huh?
to decide whether the act done is wrong or right.
Oh.
There is a parameter decided under the law. It is wholly material whether the act was right or wrong. But the determinable question would be that if the act is proved within the parameters of the law
Huh?
that the particular act is a guilty act,
Huh?
then the judge will hold that person जो है guilty. In spite of was it real or wrong,
Huh?
only parameters to be tested before the court. If the parameter shows a guilty, the judge would hold guilty. If the parameter of the law shows that is not guilty, then the judge would hold that the act is not guilty. This is parameter is there.
So they will decide on the basis of intentions.
Intention is also within the limits of parameter. Under what circumstances an act can be said to have been acted intentionally or not intentionally. This is the procedure laid down under the law to determine the intention. Intention is actually a question of fact. It is not a question of law.
Huh?
It is a question of fact. It is an issue of fact. Means the circumstances and the evidence and parameter would show whether a particular act was intentional or non-intentional.